Today, I'll show you how to redact in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file that contains the information you want to remove. Redaction is different from simply covering text with a black box. When you redact properly, Acrobat permanently removes the selected content from the PDF, so other people cannot copy, search, or reveal it later. Once your PDF is open, go to the Tools section. Look for Redact and click it. If you do not see it right away, use the search box in Tools and type Redact. Now choose Mark for redaction. Your cursor will let you select the content you want to remove. Click and drag over the text, number, image, or area that should be hidden. For example, you can redact personal details, addresses, phone numbers, account numbers, signatures, or confidential business information. After you mark the content, Acrobat will usually show a red outline around the selected area. This means it is marked, but not removed yet. Review the document carefully before applying the redaction. Make sure you selected the correct information, because once redaction is applied and saved, it cannot be easily undone. If you marked the wrong area, click the marked section and delete the mark before applying. You can also search for specific words or numbers to redact. Inside the Redact tool, look for Find Text or Search and Redact. Type the word, name, email address, or number you want to find. Acrobat will show matching results, and you can choose which ones to mark for redaction. When everything is marked correctly, click Apply. Acrobat may warn you that the selected information will be permanently removed. Confirm the action. Acrobat may also ask if you want to remove hidden information, such as metadata, comments, attachments, or hidden text. For sensitive documents, it is usually a good idea to remove hidden information too. After applying the redaction, check the PDF again. The removed areas should appear as black boxes or another redaction style, depending on your settings. Finally, save the file. Use Save As and create a new copy, so your original PDF stays unchanged. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, choose Redact, mark the content, review everything, click Apply, remove hidden information if needed, and save a new copy. And that's how you redact in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.